You have to, no matter what, find out where the two forms meet. And it's real easy since I have a pink and a blonde. Right there is my volume blending line. Held 90 degrees out. There's probably, it's almost even actually. A lot of times it'll be like this. If you're going to blend it into this haircut, I would pull it down and cut the existing part of the volumizer off so I'm pretty close to proximity. But if it's long hair, and a lot of people are going to come in with long hair and they're going to want to keep it. If you'll take a triangle, wider at the top, narrow at the bottom. Pull it out, pinch it, come 3 to 4 inches from the edge and start working shear down. See how it blends in? You do that all the way around the head. I have not moved into any form. This is slide cutting or buttering the ends to blend in the top to the bottom. You have to analyze your model or your client's hair to figure out where you're going with this. If they have no hair on the side, you have to bring it back to create the length on the side. You also take, as a traveling guide, I know where I'm at because there's my guide. See how that just blends and tapers in? You're going to have people walk in that want a volumizer that haven't seen a salon in 20 years because they're tired of being disappointed and charged for having a full head of hair and they don't. You can even do it with your fingers if you want like this.